Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Um, I'm going to go over the mobile app today that works on iPhone, Android, iPad, and Android tablet. So, I'm going to be making videos at least once a week. So, if you can like the video and also do subscribe so you can learn more about the software. And eventually, we're going to go into trading strategies. So, it'll be a good idea that if you subscribe to it, you'll get updates with all these new strategies that we come up with in the software and find better ways to make money trading crypto. So let's just go. I'm going to just do a brief overview of the mobile app. So we're going to launch the Safari browser and we'll go to the website Muunship, and then we're going to click this button here, click on download. Now when you come over here, it's going to take you to the sign in page. So we're going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, now if you can use your Google login, you can use your Facebook login, and you can also create an account. Now, I have more detailed information is on another video, so I'm just want to make this video pretty short so it's sweet and get all the cool features that we have for the mobile app. So I click login, and it's going to take me to the application, and this application works on iPhone and also Android. So let's go over some of the basic features here first. Couple of main points that I want to point out is this menu on the bottom. You can scroll this right and left because there's many icons here. So the way we created this app is everything is done on one menu. You don't have to jump through hoops to go to different widgets. All the widgets that you need are right here on the bottom. These same widgets are also on the desktop app, and all the features that you see on the desktop app are also available on the mobile app, and everything works exactly as it does on the desktop app. It works on the mobile app. Okay, so here's our default screen, and let's go over here to the right, and this is the settings icon all the way on the bottom right. Let's click that, and here you can enter your API keys, and here's you have the settings menu, and you can also log out. So the settings menu you can go into, if you want to do a dark layout you can do a dark, but for this video purpose I'm just going to keep it on light menu. Okay. Also, your API keys, the functionalities are exactly the same as in the desktop. I have that in another video. But you simply enter plus, enter the name of the API key that you want to specify so you can remember easily. You can select the exchanges that you want to add. You simply enter your API keys and your secret key. And you have a couple of options here. I'm going to go briefly here, but I have other video that goes into more detail. If you store on local device, that means your keys will be saved locally on this device, your mobile app. And if you store it on the Muunship server, it's going to be saved on our server. Either way you choose, they're always encrypted before they're saved. So if you store on local device, they'll be encrypted and saved locally. If you store on the Muunship server, it'll be encrypted and saved on the Muunship server. But if you already entered your keys already on the desktop app and you saved it on the Muunship server, so if you log in here, the keys will automatically be loaded into this app right here. Okay. So as you can see, I have 3 exchanges that are already set up, and they're all set up on the Muunship server. So I logged in, my keys were saved on the desktop, so they're showing on my mobile app. And I have Binance, Kucoin, and Bittrex already saved here. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go over to the chart. So if you think your screen is too small for the chart, there's 2 ways you can make it bigger, which is this toolbar icon right here on the bottom right. If you click this, it'll close the toolbar, and you click it again and open the toolbar. I don't use the tool gadgets here that much because there's not much space. But if you're using a tablet, there's a lot more space, so you can create your studies and also create your trend lines if you like. The other option, you can make it bigger, is remove the order entry to view the bigger chart. So you click this button right here and it'll open up the chart for you. So you click it again, you can see the order entry, you click it again, and you can see the whole chart. Over here you can put your favorite time frames that you like to look at. So I like to look at the 1 minute. I have a star there. I have a 5 minute. I enter a star there, and I have the 1 hour. And those are the three that I like to continuously monitor. Once I make them the favorites, now you'll see that they're always here. So I can quickly switch between 1 minute, 5 minute, and 1 hour. If I want to see daily, I can click 1 day, and you can resize this and move this around anywhere how you like. Click this refresh button and it'll open up the chart for you. You have all the features on the desk. You can change the colors, the background, the way the candlesticks look. They'll all be saved locally on your device. If you want to see Heiken and Shi candlesticks, you can do that. It's up to your preference. We also have our customized indicators, the box indicator, and also a support resistance indicator that you can see here. Okay, if you move this right here, this is the whole menu, and if you want to add indicators, you can go ahead and click any number of indicators and you'll be able to add that onto the chart. Now if you want to create an alert, it's very simple. You click alert, it'll show up the icon here. You drag it to wherever you want the alert to activate, and then you click the check mark again. Your alert is activated. Now there's a faster way to click alerts. I can click, let me open this. You can see the limit price. Any place I click on the chart, it'll change my limit price, right? So any place I click, and then if I click alert, that's where the alert will be set up. I don't have to go through many menus to click on alert. So let's just do a couple of alerts here, okay? I want to make 5 quick alerts. This is how fast the software is. Other softwares, you have to enter the actual number of the alert. Here everything's done by touch. So let's put an alert here. I click right here on the chart. It's 3165. I click alert. I'll show up an alert bar at the bottom, and I'll click again to verify that I want the alert there. Now let's do another alert at 3201, and there you go. Let's do another alert at 3187, and there's my third alert. So you can see how fast I can input alerts. You don't have to enter numbers. So here's another one, and let me do another one. So now these alerts, they'll be emailed to me as soon as they're executed. And also if I have the app running, if you have set up a sound alert on the desktop device, that sound will actually play on your phone. So you can just leave the phone running, and as soon as the alert's executed, you'll be able to hear the sound if you're not watching your device. If I want to share my chart, I just click this. I'll just click this chart icon, and it'll pop up a share chart widget. You click copy, and it'll copy this URL, and you can post it in Discord. You can post it in Twitter or wherever you like. So that's a good idea if you want to share your charts. It's very simple to do. You just click this. It'll create a URL, and you can paste that URL anywhere. So that's how you share charts and create alerts. Now this Discord icon right here is right here on the device. We put it there purposely so if you want to communicate with other traders, if you want to know what's going on real time, if you want to share ideas, you don't have to go to a different app. It's always included inside this app. You don't have to leave the app to share ideas and talk to other traders. So I'll click this. I'll open up a chat room, and within these chat rooms I have multiple places where you can share information, share ideas. Also, we have the Muunship server in here, so you can get updates on recent announcements, or if you have any bugs you can report, or if you need tech support you can do it right inside the app. So here's someone asking me for tech support right here. If I want to share the chart that I just talked about, and I click on trading and I want to share the chart, we can do that here. Okay, so let me exit that out, and then so we went over the time frames. If you want to change the chart, you can just click on the name and enter your coin that you want to watch. Here's BN for Binance, ETH, BTC, and there's the 5-minute chart for that. Okay, now on the bottom you see this widget here. The next icon is the trades widget. So these are the trades that happen on Binance, ETH, BTC. If I click on the trading view, it'll show me the chart here. But if I'm here and I'll change this coin to Bitmex, XBT, USD, and also automatically change the chart here for me. So I can change the chart here, or I can change the chart here. It doesn't matter, I can do it either way. The next icon is your portfolio. It tells you all the portfolio that you have, and you're able to find the value of your portfolio. So here I have the Binance tree. This is my Binance API key. These are all my coins that I have. So I have BTC, and oops, I did that. I can make that bigger. So I have my total, my available, and my these are sortable. So if you click on that, it'll rearrange those based on. It's quite sensitive. I have to fix it a little bit, but here you can see that most of my value in my Binance is in Loom coin. The total value is $1704. If I want to look at this Loom coin, I just click the down arrow, click the link, and it'll open up the chart for me. I don't have to go through many widgets to do that. So I'll go back here. I can see Loom BTC. Go back to the portfolio widget, Loom ETH. Go back to the portfolio widget. I have ADA, which is my next highest value. I want to see ADA BTC. Click it, and there it is. So it's really fast, intuitive. If you want to quickly see where your value of your coin is and be able to pull up that chart really fast. So Fuel ETH. This thing barely even trades. There's Fuel BTC. And you can see I have a bot running here, but you can see all the trades. You can actually even see all your trades all right on the chart when they're executed. Okay, so that's my portfolio widget. Next is my open orders widget. This tells me all my open orders at the exchange. Red specifies sell orders, green specifies buy orders. So you can see all my buy orders at all these exchanges. And it tells you the name of the coin. Now if I want to cancel these orders, I can press cancel, or I can just go to the coin. Let's go to Loom. Let's go to AEBTC. Okay, so here's my order right here. So I had an open order right here, Binance AEBTC. I click on it, opens the chart, I can see my open order, right? Now if I want to cancel this order, I can press X, it'll cancel my order. Or the other cool thing is, if I don't like the order where it's placed right now, right, and I want to move, I want this price at 31.53 to change, I don't have to cancel this order, go into order enter screen and enter a number. I can simply drag this order and it'll ask you, do you want to sell it at this price? Click yes, and there it is. It moved the order for me. So even on the mobile app, you're able to drag and drop orders on the chart. So let's go ahead and do another move. I'll move that order, press yes, and it tells me my order was canceled and it was accepted. It means that the order has been moved. So let me do another one. Let me lower this price at 31.71, put it at 24.34, press yes, there you go. So it moved my order on the chart for me. It's really fast, intuitive, and you're able to quickly, here's Loom, I have a whole bunch of orders here on Loom. You can see I made all these buy orders, I have my sell orders. If I want to move these orders, I just zoom into the chart, click on the order and move it around if I want. Okay, that's my order, open orders widget. Now the next one is the close, or these are orders that have already closed or executed. So red means these orders were sold, and green means these orders that I had bought. Tells me the value that I've inputted in that trade, the price, if it was a stop order, and when I inputted the trade. So if I click on this, it'll take me to that chart. So you can see all these buys that I have done all the way down here on Binance, ETH, BTC. So click on the executed orders widget again, and if I click show all, it'll show all my executed orders, and then I can scroll through, and here see I have a closed by order on Binance Loom ETH. I'll click that and I'll open it up. So you'll see how fast this you can quickly move between different widgets, open orders, close orders, and then if you want to manage your orders, you can do that by dragging and drop the orders. Let's see, what else have I traded here? Here's Binance Fuel, that was my last sell order, and there we go. Okay, so that's my executed orders widget. The next widget I have is my risers and fallers. This shows me, this here is the same widget that we have on the desktop. You're able to filter by exchange, so I can see all my Binance coins. If I want to change see the change percentages of based on ranks of how much they've changed during the 24 hours, I can click that. I can see the highest. Click it again, it'll show me the highest gainers. If I like any of these coins, I just click on the name and it'll change the chart for me, and then I click on this widget again and it'll take me back to my risers and fallers widget. Click on a different chart and it'll change it. So you can quickly, back and forth, you're able to navigate really quickly between all the different charts and find coins that you want to trade. This next one is the breaking high and low scanner, meaning that any coin that is breaking high or low at that moment in time, it'll show up in here. So right now ADA ETH just came up and you can see it's breaking its high of the day. So this tells you real time what coin is breaking out, and you're able to monitor that. So you can see ADA USD, ADA ETH, and ADA USDC, they're all breaking highs. Here I just updated ADA ETH to show it up. ADA beat. So you can see all the scanners, all the power of the scanners are even all available on your mobile app. Okay, now let's say I want to I want to add this to my favorite list. So this is Binance REP BTC, and I can make it a favorite by clicking on the star, and it'll ask me what color to make this my favorite. So if I put pink, I gave it a pink color, and then if on the bottom, if I go to my favorites list, you'll see it right here. So let me just add a couple of coins to my favorite. I'll do data as an orange, and then I'll do fun as yellow, and let me do data BNB as yellow also, and then CND BTC as pink. So if I go back to my favorites list, if I want to see any of these on the chart, I'll just click on it and it'll pull up the chart. Then click on the favorites again and it'll change my chart for me. I can filter these by color, by exchange. So right now I have everything as Binance. So you can also filter them by color. It's not showing up here right now, but I'll go ahead and fix that. So you can also filter them by colors. So you can organize your favorite list by color. And you can see all the stats of each one of these by opening up these columns and see where they are in support resistance. I have more detailed information about the scanner, but the scanner is available for you even on your mobile device, so, and your tablet. So if you want to just sit in front of the TV and trade, find coins, you can simply do that by using the scanner even on your phone, and it gives you all the power to do that. So we've been through, you can see ADA, ETH is still breaking highs. So that means it's going up and up. We have a couple of more. We have the box scanner here also. You have the same power to filter these however you like. If I want to see any coins that are greater than 5%, let's see, greater than 5. So now it's going to show me all the coins that are greater than 5%. And I can sort these out. So now it's going to, anything above 5% based on sorting is going to show me here. Then I can scroll through all the pages and see that. So that's pretty cool. This is a gold mine if you know how to use it. And if you figure it out, you'll be able to find coins exactly on the condition that you like to buy. Based on support, based on resistance, based on break on support, based on breaking out on resistance. And you can do that all on your mobile device. So now let's just go ahead and go over the trading screen. So I showed you that you can drag and drop orders. So let's just enter a simple order on ETH, HBTC, on Kucoin. So KC represents Kucoin. Okay, so I click, if I want to put in a buy order at 21,650, I'll click that here, and we're about there. But if I want to adjust this, I can manually adjust this, or I can just use the chart. Okay, and then I can also click the preview and drag and drop where I want to place this order, and then you click on buy percentage of how much I want to buy. I click 10%, autofill this order. I can even do this manually if I want to only buy 0.001, and I'll adjust that also. Okay, then I simply click buy. Do you want to place this buy order? I click yes, and had inputted my order. If I want to move this order around, I can drag and drop, and it'll move my order for me. See that? If I want to cancel, press X, we'll cancel the order. Happens really fast. Another thing is we can do ladder orders right on the phone. So This is amazing. So let's put in a ladder order, and we want to put in 5 orders, and let's go ahead and press preview, stretch out the chart a little bit, and I can put 5 orders right here, right on the phone. I don't have to enter it manually, each different price or anything like that. And I want to buy 50% of my value, or I can enter the amount that I want to buy. I can also upscale, downscale. All this information is done on another video. I can customize how I want the orders. If I want to do martingale, I can do that. I want a DCA, right? I think you get the picture. You input, you click preview. It'll show how your orders will look like on the chart and how much are being bought at each of those price levels. If I want to adjust these price levels, I can do that. So let's go ahead and adjust them, and it'll adjust it for me. And then once I have my orders the way I want to input it into the screen, I click buy, and it'll ask you, do you want to play these orders below at this amount at this price? Click yes, and it'll send the orders to the exchange, and you can see those orders going straight to the exchange. So there you go, all my orders are live and they're all available at the exchange. So it's really convenient to be able to do that right on the phone, and you never have to enter a price. It's just drag and drop everything. It's really fast. If I want to cancel all these orders, I'm canceling them now. And if I want to modify an order, I'll modify it. And there we go. I canceled all my orders. So this is how this is the basic understanding of the software. I just want to show you how the iPhone, Android, and tablet works. But it gives you the full power of the desktop right on your phone, and be able to move around, navigate through the software and through your trading. It's an easy, fast way to keep updated on your coins. So that was a brief overview. Please subscribe to this. I'll be having more videos. Also, please like my videos. And I again want to emphasize, my application is free. It's available for anyone. So please, I'm offering this for free. I ask you that please share this app, let other people know about it. But thank you again for watching this video. And if you'd like to make any comments, I appreciate it. Thank you, and have a good one.